Oh. Somebody definitely put poopy diapers or poop in it. No. They probably sat there and pooped.
Probably. I feel like I need to.
Hello. I'm sexy, you know it.
You're an idiot, and I know it.
You don't know me. No. You know what? You can't even get in my shot. No. Sarah, get away from me. I don't even know you. Ma'am, stop following me. No, I'm getting a hold of security. Rude. No, that's enough right now. You better not. Get up here.